In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the domain name in Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Changing your domain name in Gumroad can seem a bit daunting at first, but I'm here to walk you through every single step. By the end of this tutorial, you should feel confident doing this on your own. First, the first thing you want to do is open your web browser and navigate to Gumroad. If you've got your own account, go ahead and log in. If you don't, you will need to create an account first. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you will see a variety of options and tools to manage your products. Now look over to the left-hand side of the dashboard. You will see a list. What you want to do next is click on the Settings option. It's usually pretty straightforward to spot. Once you click on it, the Settings window will pop up, showing various options to customize your Gumroad store. After you're in the Settings area, you'll want to navigate to the Advanced section. This is where you can find more specific settings, including the one that we are focused on today, changing your domain name. Now, within the Advanced section, scroll down a little bit. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the section labeled Domain. This is the area where you can input your new domain name. Here's a crucial thing to remember. To change your domain, make sure you already have a custom domain purchased and ready to use. If you don't own a custom domain yet, you may want to get one before attempting to change this in Gumroad. There are various domain registration sites available where you can purchase a domain that suits your needs. Once you find the Domain section, you'll clearly see the option to enter the custom domain you want for your Gumroad store. Simply click into that section and type in your domain name exactly as you want it to be. Remember, the format should typically be www.yourdomain.com or just yourdomain.com. It's important to ensure you enter it correctly, as even a small typo can cause issues. After you've typed in your desired domain, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button. It's usually located at the bottom of the settings page. Click that button and you are all set. Your new domain name will be associated with your Gumroad store. Remember, it may take a few moments for the new domain to propagate and show up live online, so if you don't see changes immediately, don't worry, it's quite normal. You can check back in a little while or even refresh the page to see if your new domain appears. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the domain name in Gumroad. This change can greatly enhance your branding and help your customers easily remember where to find you. I hope this video has been clear and easy to follow along. If you have any questions about the process, or if there are any additional topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Gumroad and other platforms effectively. Until next time.